Good morning, folks. It is the 14th of October, and I'm on the NASDAQ E-mini in Q, the December contract. And my strategy in the mornings is I trade the first 5-minute candle. Right after I get in, I just put a buy stop order in on the long side, and the market is up 142 points this morning. At least the NASDAQ is. So we're 2 minutes into the market open, and I will be putting in my order here just before the close of this candle with a 5-point stop and a 20-point take profit. So we will see what happens at that time. So I will come back as I put the order in. Okay, so I have put my order in at the above the high of the first candle at 27, taking profit at 47. So what I do want to show you here, though, is this is right at the 50 level. It could turn around and go up for the day, but it always looks nicer when this is all these things are moving up, and this red line is the 50% line, and it's a much cleaner 5-minute trade or first 5-minute candle trade if everything is going up. So just wanted to throw that in there. I don't know what will happen here. But I'll come back when something does here. All right, folks, I just got filled and I got stopped out. 29.25. I'm going to go ahead and put another order in right there. Buy it again. Let's see, 29. Yeah, if it goes, this will be my 2 stops there. If it goes, here we go. If it stops me out again, I'm done for the day because it doesn't have enough oomph or juice, whatever you want to call it, to keep pushing up. So we will see. Nah, it doesn't look like it. Let's see what the, well, these are turning around. Looks like it wants to go up. Get some buyers in there. There we go. It's pushing a little bit right now. Okay. Okay, I'll come back if something happens here. All right, so it was, here's the reason. I went ahead and I took my, well, look right there. I blew that one and I went ahead and got out. And that was it was kind of a mistake, but that's all right. What I was looking at, I got over here on the tick chart, range chart, and it was kind of hesitating in here, and the cumulative delta was starting to fall down. And I've seen in the past where that is kind of a good sign to get out. So I went ahead and got out. So for the day, I'm down $7. And right now, I would probably be at, well, 30 to 50, make 50. Yeah, I would have made the 400 on this trade, and with the loss of 100, I would have made 300 for the day. So should have stuck with the guns, but didn't do it. And everything was showing it turned around, but yeah, oh well. Didn't work right now. I may come back a little later with a trade if something shows up, but right now I'm holding off. All right, guys. So here we had a little rough ride this morning. I took a little quick loss and then took a few little trades on buying these highs, but I wasn't getting burned, so I just waited for a red candle pullback, which was right here. And the reason being was this thing was just over here. This is the relative strength RSI, and this is the slow stochastic, and this is the MACD. And everything was looking bullish on it. And I was just saying, well, if there's a pullback, there's probably going to be a big boost after that red candle. And that's what happened. And I just kept watching this keep going up, and that was kind of what I used as a gauge. And this was today. You couldn't really rely on this cumulative delta, but it's better to be safe than sorry. That's why I was moving my stop up so close all the time. And so when this move finally happened, I was only down $15 for the day. and I just went ahead and popped back in. Right now, if I was still in it, I'd be up even another 200 bucks. But today, well, let me just show you what I did. I don't want to blow smoke or make you think I didn't do what I said. So overall gross profit was $400 for the day. My profitable trades were 555. My losses were 155. After fees and commissions, I'm up 381 for the day. And here's the amount of time I was in my trades. You can look at all this stuff. This is Top Step Trader. I'm in their pro account. I'm almost funded with that, and they'll fund me with $5,000 when I finish this. I'm not doing pretty well right now, so um, I'm just trying to show you that this is true. This is what's going on the trade. So I believe in the trading system. It's working for me. So I hope everybody else had a good trading day. And this is kind of like my trade journal. I can go back to this at any time and see what I did in that trading situation. So if I remember something, like, well, I've done that before, whatever, hopefully I can come look it up and find it. So anyway, please like the video if you liked it. And I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to post every day I do post every day I do trade. So I have record for myself. So have a good day in trading, and I will see you next time.